Next, infinite roots. Here, first example, if root of a plus root of a plus root of a plus root of a plus and so on up to infinity is given, what is the answer? For example, root of 12 plus root of 12 plus root of 12 plus root of 12 plus and so on up to infinity is given. Or root of 30 plus root of 30 plus root of 30 plus root of 30 plus root of and so on is given up to infinity. Or root of 10 plus root of 10 plus root of 10 plus root of 10 plus and so on up to infinity is given. Then what is the answer for these questions? Root of 0.24 plus root of 0.24 plus root of 0.24 plus and so on up to infinity is given. So, if you create a formula for this, we can get the answers easily. There is a shortcut for this question also. If the question is given, if this can be written as product of two integers whose difference is 1, the bigger one is the answer. The answer is 4 for this question. Root of 12 plus 12, 12, 12 is 1. If this can be written as a product of two integers, consecutive integers, then bigger one is the answer. But this question cannot be written as two consecutive integers. How to get the answer for this question? The shortcut is applicable only for few questions, not for all. Shortcuts are always condition based. Don't go always for shortcuts. Go for logic, formula and concepts. The basic concepts are very important. So I want to create a formula for this. Okay. Then after that we can get the answers easily. The actual formula is root of 1 plus 4a plus 1 by 2. Apply the formula for this. A is replaced by 12. 12 fours are 48 plus 1 49. Under root of 49 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 by 2 4. Satisfied. Shortcut formula. If this 30, this can be written as 6 into 5. Bigger one is 6. So answer is 6. Product of two consecutive integers whose difference is 1. So bigger one is the answer. Or put a as 40, 30. 34s are 120. 120 plus 1, 121. Root of 121, 11. 11 plus 1, 12 by 2, 6 is the answer. Here the shortcut is not applicable for this. What is the answer? Put 10. 10 fours are 40 plus 1, 41. Root 41 plus 1 by 2 is the answer for this question. Here actually shortcut is not only for integers. If this can be written as a product of two terms whose difference is 1, then bigger one is the answer. This can be written as 0.2 into 1.2. 1.2, 0.2 difference is 1 and product of these two is equal to this, then bigger one is the answer. The answer is 1.2. Or substitute in this 4 into 0.24, 0.96, added to 1, 1.96, 1.96. Square root of 1.96 is 1.4. 1.4 is added to 1, 2.4. 2.4 by 2. Okay, answer is 1.2. So if you know the formula, we can get the answers for this type of questions. How to get the formula? Know the method also, okay, to get the answer easily. I want to consider this as x first. This is the method. I am giving a proof for this one. If x is equal to root of a plus and so on up to infinity, then x square is equal to a plus root of a plus root of a plus root of a plus and so on up to infinity. This is again considered as x. This is considered as x again. So x square is equal to a plus x. Okay. Actually, see, very important concept is root of 12 is not an integer. This 12 is not an integer. If this is not an integer, how to get the answer as integer? This 12, 12, 12, 12, these are not a perfect integers. Root 12 is nothing but 2 root 3, irrational number. But answer is a rational number. How to get? This is not exact value, this is approximate value. Please, the approximate value of this one is this, not exact value. Because here we consider this as x. Actually this is not x, the total is x. This total is x. If one is removed, generally infinite terms are there. If just one term is removed, again we get infinite terms. That's why we can consider this as x. But it is not exactly equal to, it is approximately equal to a plus x, please. That's why the answers are, these are the 4, 6, these are integers, are approximate values, all this, not exact values, please. Okay. So if it is x square is equal to a plus x approximately equal to, this can be written as x square minus x minus a is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. What are the roots of quadratic equation? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square, coefficient of x is 1, minus 4 into 1 into minus a, minus 4a by 2. So x is nothing but, here root is always positive, don't consider negative answer. So this is nothing but 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a by 2. Okay, this is the method of finding the answer. So root of a plus root of a plus root of a up to infinity is given. The answer for this question is root of 1 plus 4a plus 1 by 2. This is the procedure. Okay. Then I want to write a few more formulae. Then what is root of a minus root of a minus root of a minus root of a minus up to infinity is given? Same model. The answer is nothing but root of 1 plus 4a minus 1 by 2. Root of 1 plus 4a minus 1 by 2. The answer is root of 20 minus root of 20 minus root of 20 minus and so on up to infinity given. Here also we have shortcut. If this can be written as a product of two consecutive integers, then if minus is there, smaller one is the answer, so answer is 4. Okay, if this can be written as product of two terms whose difference is 1, then smaller one is the answer. Or substitute 20 here, 4 into 20, 80, 80 plus 1, 81, root of 81 is 9, 9 minus 1, 8 by 2, 4. So what is the value of root of 72 minus root of 72 minus root of 72 and so on up to infinity? Here this can be written as a product of 9 into 8. 9 into 8, then smaller value is the answer. The answer is 8. Okay, so this is about this formula. Root of a minus root of a minus root of a minus given, then this is the answers are formula, based on formula, or for example root of 11 minus root of 11 root minus root of 11 up to infinity is given. What is the answer? Here formula is only formula is applicable, shortcut is not applicable. 11 fours are 44 plus 1 root of 45 minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is formula 2. Okay, third formula. Root of a plus root of a minus root of a plus root of a minus and so on up to infinity is equal to how much? Okay. Similarly, root of a minus root of a plus root of a minus root of a plus and so on up to infinity is given, then what is the answer? See both the questions, it starts with plus, this starts with minus. The formula for this is root of 4a minus 3 plus 1 by 2. For this the formula is root of 4a minus 3 minus 1 by 2. The formula for this is root of 4a minus 3 plus 1 by 2, root of 4a minus 3 minus 1 by 2. So I want to create a formula how to get this one. Okay. I want to consider this as x, let this as y. Okay. Then what we get here? X is equal to root of a plus, from this onwards this is same as y. So y. Similarly, y is equal to root of a minus, from this onwards this is same as x. So x is equal to root of a plus y and y is equal to root of a minus x if this is x and this is y. Squaring here, x square is equal to a plus y, and here y square is equal to a minus x. Y square is equal to a minus x. Subtract x square minus y square is equal to, if you subtract a gets cancelled, you get y plus x. This can be written as x plus y into x minus y is equal to x plus y. X plus y cancel, x minus y is equal to 1, or y is equal to x minus 1. Y is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, I want to write this as, this can be written as x square is equal to a plus, in the place of y write x minus 1. Then this is a quadratic equation, x square minus x minus of a minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then what are the roots of this quadratic equation? X is equal to minus b means 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into 1 into minus of a minus 1 plus 4 into a minus 1 by 2a 2. Okay, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If you simplify this, you can get it as, I want to write positive answer. This is 4 into a 4a, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So this is the formula. Okay, the answer is this one, root of 4a minus 3 plus 1 by 2. This is x value. Similarly, to find y value, write x as y plus 1 and substitute here. We get this formula, root of 4a minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Same model. So this is the way of finding the answers for these two. This is original. If you know the formula, the problems are very easy. Okay, if you want, write this procedure also. Write this procedure by considering this as x as root of a plus y and y as root of a minus this total is x. Squaring and subtraction gives we get x minus y is equal to 1, y is equal to x minus 1. Substitute it here. This is a quadratic equation solving this one. Or if you want y, okay, x is equal to y plus 1, put x is equal to y plus 1 and we get a quadratic equation in terms of y square. Solving gives same model, 4a minus 3 minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So here I want to give a simple question based on this. Root of 21 plus root of 21 minus root of 21 plus root of 21 plus minus root of 21 plus and so on up to infinity is equal to how much? The formula is root of 1 plus 4a, the formula is root of 4a minus 3 plus 1 by 2. If starting plus, we get plus here. If starting minus, we get minus here. So what is the answer? In the place of a, put 21. 21 4s 84. 84 minus 3, root of 81 plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 by 2. So answer is 5. Okay. Similarly, the question is like this. If the question is root of 7 minus root of 7 plus root of 7 minus root of 7 plus and so on up to infinity. So here the formula is root of 4a minus 3 minus 1 by 2, starting with minus, where a is 7, 7 4s are 28, 28 minus 3, 25. This is root of 25 minus 1 by 2, 5 minus 1, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So if questions are given like this, use these two formulae. Okay. So this is about two formulae. Next we go to some more formula. If root of a, root of a, root of a, root of a, root of a and so on given up to infinity, what is the answer? Okay. If only few terms are given, root of a, root of a, root of a, root of a, only n terms given, then what is the formula? Here for this the answer is equal to a. Okay. For this the answer is a power 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. How to get this one and that one? So consider this as x. Squaring on both sides, x square is equal to root of a root of a and so on whole power 2 a into, again this is considered as x. X square is equal to ax. Here one x gets cancelled, so x is equal to a. Simple proof. X is equal to a. Example. Root of 2, root of 2, root of 2, root of 2 up to infinity is given. The answer is 2. Root of 41, root of 41, root of 41, root of 41, root of 41 and so on up to infinity given. The answer is 41. Okay. Then how to get this one? Here this is nothing but, consider this as x. X is nothing but root a power 1 by 2 into, this is root of a power 1 by 4 into a power 1 by 8 and so on n terms. Here bases are equal, we can add the powers, a power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so on n terms. Here these terms are in geometric progression. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, 1 by 8 by 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Here r is equal to, common ratio is 1 by 2 and first term is also 1 by 2. Generally first term denoted by a. I want to consider a1. What is the sum of n terms in geometric progression? The sum of n terms in geometric progression is a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. This is the formula. So therefore the answer for this question is a power first term 1 by 2 into 1 minus common ratio is 1 by 2 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus r. Simplify this. This can be written as a power. Here 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. This one and this one gets cancelled. This is 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n. Okay. So this is a power 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n if only n terms given. Okay. If example is given like this, what is root of 7, root of 7, root of 7, root of 7? 4 terms given. This can be written as, the answer is written as 7 power 2 power 4 minus 1 by 2 power 4. 7 power 2 power 4 is 16. 16 minus 1, 15 by 2 power 4, 16. This is the answer. Okay, if this question is given, the answer is only 4 terms given, 2 power 4 minus 1 by 2 power 4. Okay, know the procedure. If any question is given this type, we can get the answer. For example, if question is given like this, cube root of a, cube root of a, cube root of a, up to infinity, up to n terms given, what is the answer? Up to infinity is given, already you know, consider this as x, we can get the answer. If it is infinity is given, then we can get the answer easily. If n is given, then consider this as x. X is equal to a power 1 by 3 into a power 1 by 9 into a power 1 by 27 into so on. Cube root of cube root is nothing but 1 by 9. So apply, this is about geometric progression, a power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus n terms, a power, apply the formula a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio. First term is 1 by 3. Common ratio is also 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 3. This is a power 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3 into, this is nothing but 3 power n minus 1 by 3 power n. 3 cancel. So answer is a power 3 power n minus 1 by 2 into 3 power n. If you create formula like that, we can get the answers easily. If infinity is given, then how to solve this question? If infinity is given, x is equal to cube root of a into, the remaining is again x, because if the infinity, taking cube root, x cube is equal to ax, 1x cancel, x square is equal to a, so x is equal to root a. If n is infinity, the answer is root a. Okay, for example, I want to give a simple example here. What is cube root of 7, cube root of 7, cube root of 7 up to infinity given? The answer is nothing but, this is x is equal to root a, nothing but root 7 is the answer. If n terms is given, this is the formula. This is the formula. If infinite terms is given, this is the answer. Okay, so this is about finding infinite roots. Okay, so I have given different formulae. This is the first one. Root of a plus root of a plus root of a plus and so on is nothing but 1 plus root of 1 plus 4a 1 by 2. Write in order. First formula. This is second formula. Root of a minus given root of 1 plus 4a minus 1 by 2. These are the examples. 1, 2, 3 examples. Formula number 3 and 4 directly given. 3, 4. Alternate positive and negative given. Alternate first negative, next positive given. The formula are root of 4a minus 1 by 3 by 2. And this is root of 4a minus 3 minus 1 by 2. This is plus 1 by 2. There minus 1 by 2. And correspondingly, the problems are given like this. This one and this one are examples of those two. So 4 formulae. This is formula number 5. Up to infinity is given. Up to, and this is n terms given. Okay, so these are the formulae. If you know the concept, then we can get this type of questions also. Understood? So this is about the infinite roots. Next one, cube root of surds. What about cube root of surds and how to find? If cube root of a plus root b is given, then how to solve this question? Here, after finding the cube root of one rational number and one surd, we get the answer as again a rational number and a surd. We don't get two surds like a quadratic equation, square root of a surd. So I want to consider cube root of a plus root b as x plus root y. Then taking cube on both sides, a plus root b is equal to, taking cube on both sides, x plus root y whole cube. This is equal to x cube, a cube, plus 3a square b, plus 3a b square, 3x b square is nothing but y, plus y cube, root y into root y into root y, y root y. Here x cube plus 3xy in one bracket because this is a rational part. By taking root y common, we get a 3x square plus y. This is irrational part of this one. So you have to compare this with this and this with this. After comparison, that is nothing but 3x square plus y into root y is equal to root b. And x cube plus 3xy is equal to a. Then solving the equations, we get x value as well as y value. This is the method of finding cube root of any number. Okay, consider this as x plus root y, taking cube on both sides, comparing rational part with rational part and irrational part with irrational part. I want to solve a simple example here. Even minus also. If minus is there, here also minus. Okay? The method is same. If it is minus, then we get minus here. Okay? X cube plus 3xy is a. Minus, then x is 3x square plus y. Here comparison is same in both cases, please. Find cube root of 20 plus 14 root 2. This is the question. Cube root of 20 plus 14 root 2 is equal to how much? I want to consider this as x plus root y. Then 20 plus 14 root 2 is equal to, cube of this can be written as x cube 3x square root y plus 3xy plus y root y, cubing on both sides. This can be written as x cube plus 3xy is a rational part. By taking root y common, 3x square plus y is irrational part. Therefore, compare this with this. Therefore, x cube plus 3xy is equal to 20. Okay, and root y into 3x square plus y is equal to 14 root 2. So see carefully, this is a 14 into root 2. This is a rational number into root y. Generally, root y is equal to root 2. Generally, not always, root y is equal to root 2. If root y is equal to root 2, this implies y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2 put here, therefore 3x square plus y is equal to 14, already y is equal to 2, already this is 2. Therefore 3x square is equal to 12, x square is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. This may or may not be the answer. You have to check these two in the original first equation, this equation. Put x cube, nothing but 2 cube, 8, plus 3xy, 3 into 2 into 2, 4 3 is 12 plus 8 to 20, satisfied. If it is satisfied, so answer for this question is x plus root y, root 2 is the answer. If this is not satisfied, x and y values not satisfied here, then what we have to do? If x and y values are not satisfied, if y value is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 not satisfied, then again you have to compare. For example, if it is 14 root 2, this can be written as 14 root 2 can be written as 7 into root 8. 2 is transferred in the root, it becomes 4 into 2, 8. Then compare this as y is equal to 8 and this as the coefficient 3x square plus y, and this is y. Again check. If not satisfied, again here 7 is transferred in the root. This is a multiple method of getting the answer. Okay, if it is a simple surd, then we can compare and check. Generally, tough questions will not be given. Root y generally must be equal to root 2 and we get the answer easily. Okay, see the next question. 26 cube root of 26 minus 15 root 3. What I have told, this can be written as x cube plus 3xy rational part, root y into 3x square plus y irrational part, if you consider this as x minus root y. So I want to compare this with 15 root 3, this with 26. So I want to consider first y is equal to 3 and 3x square plus y is equal to 15. Put y is equal to 3 here, 3x square is equal to 12, x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 here, x is equal to 2, 2 cube 8, 3 into x is 2 into y is 3, 3 3 is 9 2 is 18 plus 8 26 is satisfied. So answer is x 2 minus root y, root 3 is the answer. Okay, so this is about finding cube root of numbers. In previous questions, particularly in CGL, no cube root given. Okay, but you have to know how to find a cube root of numbers also. Okay.